What's up guys? Today we're going to talk about the 5 things most guys don't think about before they get their haircut. What's up guys? Welcome back to Gent. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, hit that right now. We are here with my barber Alex at Service and Supply, and today we're going to talk about 5 things most guys don't think about before they get their haircut. The first thing being, you really need to know the type of hair you have and what you're asking for.
Yeah, it's important. Different textures, lengths, densities can really kind of dictate the type of haircut that you can get that's going to be easy for you to manage and maintain.
Yeah guys, it's not ideal for you to walk in with a picture of, Justin Timberlake with curly tight curls and you have straight hair. You're not going to be able to achieve the same look. So realize what type of hair you have and then kind of set your goals for people that have the same type of hair as you. All right guys, the second thing on the list is most people don't consider how long it will take to style their hair after they get the haircut. So you really got to think about, how long you want to spend in front of the mirror after you get the haircut.
Yeah, some haircuts may look effortless to you, but in reality, it's taken them 3 different styling products, a blow dryer, a comb, a brush, and a lot more time than you think was allotted for that haircut. Usually, if it looks natural and undone, that takes the most to do.
Which brings us to our third point. You really need to think about what you're going to need to achieve the hairstyle you asked for. So like Alex said, sometimes you're going to need 3 different products, a blow dryer, a brush, a comb, just to look, like you did nothing to your hair.
Yeah, it's important to have a halfway decent blow dryer. You don't have to spend a lot of money, but something that works and has a couple different settings. You also want to have a comb, a brush. When it comes to your comb, you want something with wide teeth so that you can have a little less tension. As well as remembering that the product you use the day you get your haircut may change when your haircut's at its 4-week mark. You might need something a little bit heavier, a little bit lighter, depending on length and desired style.
And the fourth thing to consider, guys, how often you want to get a haircut. So you need to realize that shorter hairstyles are going to require more attention. So the shorter you go, the more often you're going to need to go to the barbershop to keep it looking clean. The longer your hair, the more often you can go a little longer, 3, 4, 6, 7 weeks out and not really notice a huge difference because your hair has a little more length and bulk to it already.
If it's something high and tight, it's usually going to require more maintenance because you're going to notice that grow out much faster. If it's a little bit fuller on the sides, you're going to be able to work through it a little bit longer and take it to that 7 to 8 week mark if you'd like. So the important thing to do is remember to keep your perimeter clean because that's really going to help extend the longevity of your haircut and keep it looking fresh.
And last but not least, guys, if you're thinking about switching up your hairstyle from something, if you already have long hair, you want to go short, or you have short hair and you want to go long, realize that there's going to be an awkward stage.
Yeah, there's no avoiding the awkward phase. You're gonna hit it at some point. The best thing to do is power through it if you really want to achieve this new look. Remember that if you're going from long to short, that in order to get back to long, it's gonna take quite some time. For some people, it might be a matter of 2 to 3 weeks. For others, it might be a matter of 2 to 3 months. Just remember that that awkward phase is unavoidable and power through it to get to your goal.
Right, guys. I mean, if you want to go from short to long, there are probably a few haircuts where you could, extend the top quite a bit and then, slowly get to where you're going. But if you really want to get there quick, just let it grow, find nice hats, and, embrace the awkward stage. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps up our video. So think about these things before you go get a haircut, before you ask for a new style. And most guys aren't thinking about this, so your barber will definitely appreciate it. I want to thank Alex for being here with us today. This is the beginning of our barbershop series, so we'll have a link to all our barbershop videos down below, as well as Service and Supply, his shop. So if you're in LA, check him out, come say hi. And once again, if you have not hit that subscribe button yet, hit that right now. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.